Hi you guys, so I'm actually going to dedicate this video to Ciara Malloy, to her friends, her family, to everyone that knew her, to the people that didn't know her. Um, Smile you guys, just smile. I'm sure she wants you guys to smile for her. I know she's in a better place, I know it's hard, but I know she's looking down at you guys smiling. And the the Malloy motivation, oh my gosh, it's crazy. It's crazy. It's it's just crazy. And everybody wearing their purple, oh, so cute. But I'm gonna dedicate this video to her. Like I said, it's Brandy's "Though I'm Missing You," so I hope you guys enjoy it. Though I'm missing you, although I'm missing you, I'll find a way to get through. I'll find a way to get through living without you. You are my sister, my strength, and my pride. Only God may know why. Still, I will get by. Who would know that you have to go? Suddenly so fast. And how could it be that a sweet memory would be all that we have left? Now that you're gone, every day I go on, life's not the same. Life's just not the same, yeah. I'm so empty inside, and my tears I can't hide. But I'll try and face the pain. Though I'm missing you, I'll find a way to get through. Living without you, you are my sister, my strength, and my pride. Only God may know why.